Boy, what a nice day for November, right? It's like 70 degrees out. Pretty nice. Anyway, we're going to fly the Mini around a little bit because we can. And there it is. The Mini 2, I mean. Oh, Sacre Blue, I got to get it right. It's the Mini 2. There it is. And we're going to fly it over there, look at the car wash maybe. Just to, you know, spin it around a little bit. I just want to get it broke in a little. All right, guys, I just flew the Mini 2 again, second flight. I took it over that way, over there to the car wash, just to get an update on the car wash. Looks like they're just finishing it up. There was still a couple guys working on it. So I flew it over there, and then I went in between the office buildings and turned around there and came back and just flipped it around here a little bit. Yeah, the Occusync on here is way better than the Wi-Fi because I didn't get any breakup. When I always would fly over here with the regular Mini, it would always break up. I mean, it made it. It made the flights. I mean, you know, it made it all the way over to the car wash and would go over here and go between the buildings and all that. But the signal would keep going in and out. And, you know, we would lose the Wi-Fi because of all that Wi-Fi. But the Occusync didn't have any, there was no issue at all with the Occusync. So, you know, that's the way that went. So, company coming over here in their badass Tesla. Right there. All right, guys, there you go. Mini 2. It's a killer, let me tell you. Yikes, no satellites yet. Hey, there we go. We got 3. We're getting to it. Seven. Let me get away from the curb and all of that crap. Let me get over here a little bit.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It came in. I don't know what it is with these satellites now. They're coming in when you're under trees. I don't know. What's the story with that now? Why ain't that working? Who knows, right? Who knows? Let me start some video here and take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Well, you know, I think the car wash is just about done, FYI on that, right? They should be getting ready to wrap that up pretty soon, to be honest with you. There it is. There's somebody there walking around. Maybe they're tight. It might be still working because it's, what, 4:30 or something. So they might be just finishing up work. All right, so now you know when I fly the other Mini, the Wi-Fi Mini, it'll always crack up over here, start breaking up. It made it. It always would make it there and back, but when it got near the office buildings, you know, it would start losing its signal and breaking up and all that stuff. So I don't remember the Mavic Pro doing that, so I don't think I think the Occusync's a little bit better, you know. So I'm looking at the Mini right there. There's a little bit of glare. I haven't tried any filters out yet with it, so. My other Mini, now I don't know about my second Mini, but the first Mini does not like the filters. It rejects them all the time. It says no dice. It starts, you know, wobbling around, and the gimbal starts shaking and stuff like that, you know, so. That's the way that goes. I'm going to try to go over here and go between the buildings and see how this one acts. There's Applebee's. There's some glare and some sun flare. Hey, it is what it is, right? Yeah, the office buildings are getting ready to close. People are getting off of work now, the office people, you know, the 9-to-5ers. Pretty soon it'll be dark by now. You know, this is... Yeah, the video, the screen recordings seem to be a little clearer to me than they were with the other one. I don't know. Could be me. You know, I don't know. Let me stop the video for a minute. Look at some of these quick shots, see what they got. Okay, so they didn't put, you know, they didn't put the, you know, that one I like, I can't remember the name of it, where it went up and did a 360 and took the pictures. That little Earth thing. They didn't put that in there, so. So, you know, it is what it is. Oh well. It would have been nice. Asteroid, they didn't put that in there, so. Which is unfortunate. They should have put it in there. Oh well. Alrighty, so flew good, man. No problem at all. All right, Mavic Mini 2. All right, guys, there you go, Mini 2.
Landing.
Oh, it's not the Mavic Mini 2, it's just the Mini 2. All right, there you go. Have a nice day. Well, there went the Anafi.